Today we are going to go over the subida step. Subida means bringing up the tempo, and we use this to bring up the tempo in our footwork. So this piece of technique is good for intermediate students and on up, unless you're an adventurous beginner. And if you want more flamenco from me, be sure to check out the description below with all the different free resources, plus the 10-day free trial that's available for my Online Flamenco Studio. So let's begin. So this one, it looks like this. Okay, you can do it on both sides, although there are variations to go just on the right side or just the left side. But today we will go alternating each side, and we're using the 12 count. So this can be worked for alegrias, solea, solea por alegria, alegrias, all those 12 count rhythms. So we have, so it starts off with a golpe, so 12 and 1 and 2. Okay, we start off with that. So we have 12 and 1 and 2. And when you go that front foot, you're going slightly in front, but not a lot. Okay, you want to keep them close together. Keep your feet close together. So we have 12 and 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, again, and 12 and 1 and 2 and 3. Now you want to make sure that you get that heel up and really start working on getting that flexibility in your foot by lifting up that heel and stretching out those toes. So again, on the right side we have 12 and 1 and 2 and 3. And then we repeat it on the other side. Again, 12 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Again, and 12 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. So then we keep it with the accents of the compás. So we have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll have 2 longs and 3 shorts. Here we go. You'll see what I mean. And long, and long, and now short. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then we go on the other side. So again, that whole compás, we have 12 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we go on the other side. Again, starting on the right, and long, and long, and short, and short, and short. And now continue. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you want to make sure that you're accenting on the downbeat. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Again, keep your feet together. Abs in, shoulders down. You can keep your hands on your hips. If you're more experienced, you can try playing palmas. All right, again, one more round. 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's a great practice. Practice, 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 and then you can go faster and faster. Thanks for joining me in today's lesson. If you want to continue your flamenco journey with me, I would love to have you inside my Online Flamenco Studio. It's a monthly membership for dancers from new beginners all the way through advanced levels, and we speak, feel, and dance flamenco in there. There are over 60 courses in choreographies, technique, and flamenco theory, plus a vibrant community of dancers from all around the world that you connect with. And we have monthly challenges, workouts, training sessions, practice sessions, everything that you need to progress in your flamenco journey so you can become the dancer that you dream about. And if you want to join us, there is a 10-day free trial that you can get right now. So I hope to see you in there.